Today we're looking at a little travel guitar. It's by CORT. And my friend Ashlynn Price and I picked this out. We were looking at Taylor's and some Martin travel guitars she wanted to take to camp. And I really liked this one. I thought the sound was great. And I liked how the neck felt. It didn't feel cramped or pinched at all. Stainless steel tuning pegs. They kept the tune really good. It has a nice neck board. You can see here, just the right size. And it's a really decent size for a backpack guitar. It has got your saddle right here. It's got a nice satin finish. You've got your neck strap attachments right there, and maybe you can see inside. I'll take a picture of that. It's a CORT AD Mini M. I'd never heard this brand before, and I was at Guitar Center and he brought this out. I was set on the Taylor. This one played great and it sounded better than the Taylor. Has a mahogany body. Nice mahogany top, sides. And then you've got a nice black inset around the body and around the back. And there's the neck. If you're looking for a small throw around backpack guitar, I would highly recommend this CORT. I'll have all the information down in the description for you. Okay, so take care, have a great day. I will see you next week.